Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday morning. Back on track with a normal episode. I'm gonna be running to do a little supply run right now. My favorite. A lot of stuff to pick up. On top of that, we are looking to get set up with a local cabinet shop. They're gonna be speccing out a few designs for us, so I'm gonna go meet with them. Super busy week. We have Beluga out for paint. What else? We have RIO wrapping up. I'll give you guys a tour of that later today. After I show you guys some RIO updates, we've got a new van in the shop. So this is a special project. Can't share the details yet, but it is very cool. Okay, we're off to Ashley. Just wrapped up our meeting with Ashley, well, the owner of Ashley Cabinets. Super pumped. We're gonna be working on a lot of projects with them, pumping out some custom Baltic, a lot of cool stuff anyway. Okay, this is the transit right behind me. Try to get a little talking done, explain what's going on back here. And we got incredible voices instead. So unfortunately, I don't get to share the details of this build. It's staying local, it's got big plans, and we're gonna do more of them. What are you guys working on? Don't tell me, Phil.
Stop. That's how much I can show you.
All right, Guy and Lori are working on, looks like cabinetry.
Cabinetry for Beluga.
For which one? Beluga?
Beluga.
They are putting together these loads of puzzle pieces. They have been going all day long, and it is piling up.
There's more over there too.
Okay, so while they're working on cabinetry, I'm gonna check in with Cole and see what he is whipping together. I believe he's working on the rooftop deck. This is the there we go. This is the morning coffee deck. I believe it is 8 feet by 6 feet, I think. Boards on top, treated boards. Cole's doing a picture framed skirt, and it looks good. Okay, let's go over the rough construction of this thing. If Cole pops back up here, I'll get him to explain it. So we do a mounting bracket. That's a steel mounting bracket. That penetrates the bus roof. From inside, we've got a back mounting plate, 1/4 inch steel, bolted through. You can remove it here, you can adjust for your angle, and then those are welded to the frame. So we have 4 feet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have a steel frame that is exactly that. It's just the frame of the deck. Okay, it is time for a RIO tour. Okay, up front here, we have cushions in. Those look unreal. Nice tan cushions. backs. This turns into a bed. This does not turn into a bed, but it's a nice little dining area. Up front, we have one of those new fancy picture TVs. So when it's off, right now it doesn't have power supply, but when it's off, it'll have a picture. You can load up a picture. Looks like art. We have all our handles everywhere. This is definitely the longest row of uppers I've ever seen, but it's needed. You need the storage for a bus. All right, what else do we got to show you guys? Okay, the kitchen is pretty much 100% complete. We'll put it at 95%. Just waiting for a few touches here. I think that might be it. We have all our blue plastic peeled off, revealing the beautiful white. High gloss laminate. This is nice little hidden freezer. Beautiful gold faucet. And our stove finally showed up. So this thing's very cool. 20-inch stove, burners, propane on top. There's our nice vent. We've got oven, big enough to roast a turkey. And below we've got a little warming drawer. Full home kitchen in an RV. This is our pantry. Tons of storage. Okay, let's head to the bathroom now. This might be the best looking bathroom that we've done. Boys absolutely nailed this one. We got a nice mirror right here. There's our composting toilet. We got our tiled shower. We've got our spa head. Heading to the back of the bus. Probably my favorite area. This little bunk setup and master bedroom and wardrobes is just, looks incredible. Okay, we've got another mirror. Towel racks. Vanity knobs are all on. Again, just waiting on a couple fills. We've got a full vessel sink, full vanity area, huge wardrobes for storage, and we've got bunks. The bunks are done. 100% done. Got on each bunk, we've got USB plus a light. Because what kid doesn't read when they camp? I would honestly say that is the thing I miss most about being a child. Being in my bunk bed, reading a book, trying to listen to the parents outside at the campfire. I don't know about you guys, but I would try to crack the window open. I'd get caught every single time. They'd yell at me. Good memories. Nice curtains to match the fabric on the couches. So just a little hook. That pulls across. And I know what you're thinking, these are too short? No. So these are designed for our 4-inch mattress that's going in there, and they don't get bunged up on it. You don't roll on it and rip them. All right, so that's the bunk. Now let's head to the master bedroom. We've got some trim. That might have been in last week's, I apologize if it was. Here we go. That's not supposed to be there. That goes right there. Look at this master. Outlets, so outlets in each corner. They can set up a TV. We've got USB charging and reading light in each corner by the headboard. We've got side tables.